Hey everyone, Gabe here again with another food review. Today I'm going to be reviewing a restaurant called Culver's. I'm still a little bit under the weather, so I'm going to try to keep my thoughts a little brief. It hurts a little bit to talk, so let's see how it does. Uh, Today I used the app and I ordered a double cheeseburger with bacon, lettuce, and onions, as well as a medium fry well done, and a water, and I came out to $13.76. The fries are good, 10 out of 10. Nine out of 10. Good burger. Always splashes. Well, that's going to do it for today. My name is Gabe. I do food reviews. Sorry this one was a little more downbeat. Hopefully I feel better tomorrow. If you have anywhere you want me to review in the future, leave it in the comments. I'll try to get to it next time. See you then.